Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add music in your videos in Bigo Live. Open the Bigo Live application and then click on the videos which is in the bottom of your screen and then click on edit. Now you can choose the video you want to upload or you can just record a video. Let's just go ahead and record a video. After we're done recording a video, I'm going to show you how you can add audio in your videos. After you're all done, click on the tick mark and go to the music on the top right hand corner. You can see that there will be options. If not, you can choose from your mobile and then you can select the music. After you select the music, click on Use. Now, you're all done. Click on Done and you're all done to post this video. You can write a caption and then click on Post. There you go. Your video has been posted with the music you wanted. Let me teach it to you again. If you want to add video, go to the video and then go to Edit, record a video of your choice. One. Click on the tick mark. And then click on the audio button in the top right hand corner. You can choose from the music given or you can add your own. So this is how you add music in your Bigo Live. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.